Welcome back to Explore Error. We'll guide you through how to remove a Google account from the YouTube app. If you find this helpful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on YouTube, and you want to remove a Google account from the app. Maybe you don't use it anymore, or you have another reason. There are a few things you should think about first. When you remove it, you won't be able to access the channels linked to that account because that's how it works. Google owns YouTube, and both are connected as part of the same system. Once you remove the Google account, the channels linked to it will also be removed. It also means your data won't be saved on it anymore. For example, your search and watch history won't be available since you can't access the channels. You also won't be able to comment on or like videos using that account. So these are a few things you should consider before you start. But if you're sure you want to do it, let's get started. What you need to do is open the app and tap the U button at the bottom right. Now you'll see your current channel at the top, and you can scroll down to see more information. Then just below your current channel, find the option called Switch Account. After that, you can scroll and see the different accounts listed at the top. You'll see channels, and below that, other accounts as well. If you only have one account, it still works the same. And if you have multiple accounts, the steps are also the same. You can also tap Add Account if needed. To remove an account, look for the option called Manage Accounts on this device. Tap on it, and you'll see all the accounts listed. Now choose the account you want to remove. In this case, I'm selecting an account and tapping Remove from this device. You'll see a message saying that the account and any unsaved data will be removed. Confirm your choice, and it will also be removed from other apps on the device. And that's it. If you check again, you'll see that the account is no longer there. You can always add it back later if you want. Leave a like if you found this helpful.